Fa, family, Muslimah. Hello kids, today we are going to learn action words. They are also called action verbs. They are the words in which some action is doing, so they can also called doing words. So let's start learning together action words. Eating, drinking, reading, writing, teaching, jumping, cooking, standing, sitting, playing, fighting, laughing, crying, sleeping, flying, washing, brushing, walking, running, talking. So kids, today we have learned action words. They are also called doing words or action verbs. Hope you learn it very well. If you love it, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Allah Hafiz and bye-bye.